Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Man, it's your boy One Touch back with another video on the 85 Cutlass. I think it's an 85, I really don't know, y'all. Well, just got this thing in. I already got the roof. I had got the roof probably like the early part of the week. It's the same week Christmas was in, so we going on, man. We finna get this thing did. I got my Cutlass up under the carport right now. I just topped it off, everything. Just topped off a little black sheeting or whatever. So I did that right there just so, man, I can do something with wind and come in, you know, and I can work a little better. I can work through the night and stuff like that. But yeah, I got this 1985 or 86 Cutlass in. Then again, I'm gonna put this old roof up in here. I got one out of DTS. And he also wanted me to mess with the top too, see what's going on with the top. But I just told him, man, just go ahead and get you some material and stuff like that. Just find out what color you want, and we can go from there. Because I was telling him that I can do it because it's not all that stitching involved. You know what I'm saying? You really just laying this thing down, and then getting these windows taken out, and take all this trim off, and man, you'd be good to go. And it's like all one piece right here. So once you do all that right there, you good. But like I said, he said he gonna get back with me on that. But right now we're just focusing down on the roof, and I'm gonna do the headline on this one. Let me go to this side, cause I probably gotta open the door from the inside right quick. So it already got like the original OG headline in here. And I'm gonna take this on out, and I'm gonna put him some burgundy suede up there. I just gotta see how long it's gonna take to get back, cause like I said, the car just got dropped off to me. If I would have known what color it was, I would have went on and been ordered or whatnot. So yeah, man, we're back to the grind, man. Back to getting it in. And that's why I said I'm finna go break this down, cause it's the least I can do today. Just take everything down from up top, get my measurement. I can cut a hole though, cause I got everything I need. But like I said, I don't know if it's gonna rain tonight. But y'all see, man, I think this suede gonna look good with these seats because they already did or whatnot. So I'm gonna take the seats out before I start in to work on it, because like I said, I don't wanna get the cutting and welding and take the risk of putting some holes in these seats. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to work this thing out, man. Well, I'm gonna work it out, you know. I just gotta go on here and get to it. Today really like a slow day for me. So this is what I got going. I told him I want to try to have it back to him before the New Year's kick off. So today Friday, and it's Friday, so 2 days after Christmas. I can't really think of the date right now. Yeah, it's 27. So finna go ahead and pop it off right quick, y'all. I'll cut y'all back on, man, when I get this old headline up out of here, and I'll turn y'all back on when I'm up under the carport. So y'all just stay locked and loaded, man. One Touch Customs, OTC, we here, baby. Let's get it. All right, what up, guys? I'm back. All I gotta do now is just cut those two frame pieces out right there. And oh yeah, I'm trying to see how should I do it, because like I said, I don't want to cut nothing with these seats up in here. Like I said, man, it's a pretty clean Cutlass seats. Good old bucket board. And like I said, I don't want to cut nothing that destroy the fabric, the material of it and all that. So I might just end up taking them out, because I want to go and cut these out right fast. And then shit, I can really go ahead and do my measurement. I might cut the hole. I don't know if it's supposed to rain or not like that. I checked the forecast, it just says it's gonna be partly clouded all day. So yeah, let me go ahead and get on to this right quick. I'm gonna take these seats out, set them up on the carport, and then go and cut those two rails out. And that's why I say I'll be halfway to where I need to be. So let me go and do what I gotta do, because I know ain't nobody else gonna do it for me. So let me go and do what I do, y'all, and I'll cut y'all back on one. YT, what's happening, man? It's your boy, Mr. One Touch. I'm back again. Last time you seen the video, I was breaking everything down. I got the seats up out of there now. I had my cousin come through and help me get the driver's seat out. It had some hard to reach bolts in there, but we got it out. We managed to get it out, set it up under my carport, and you see and I took the headliner down, and I went on to cut my hole today. Today is a real ugly day outside, man. It haven't been raining or nothing like that. It's just real warm in Memphis right now, so everything like pretty much thawing out. You know what I'm saying? So I just cut the hole in there. So now I'm about to get ready to go to the material place and check on some burgundy headliner material, because I'm actually moving faster than I thought I was gonna move. I guess because the car already kind of broke down. So I'm gonna have the glass probably welded in already tonight. As you can see, I already got it welded down. I just got through doing all that. So all I have to do now basically is just put the skin in and go ahead and grind this down to bare metal. Yep, grind this down to bare metal right here. And once I do this right here, everything is good. And all I gotta do is just probably keep my body work at a low minimum and weld it on in and get everything back bonded together. So I ain't gonna try to take too long with y'all, man. I'm gonna try to go ahead and get this thing put in here, and I'll cut y'all back on when I get that hole cut. And I'm also waiting on a part for my Cutlass right now to come on in. I've been waiting like 2 days. I know it's the holidays, so I know things gonna pretty much come slow. So I want to show y'all that hole right quick. So yeah, man, one touch, we on the move. Y'all just stay posted, man. And stay with me and rock with me until I finish this old Cutlass up. These old Lucha boys. So yeah, y'all just stay locked in, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in 1 minute. All right, y'all, I'm back. Today is a new day after yesterday. Seen I had cut the hole. See, I still got the skin on the ground. I really couldn't do no work yesterday, cause man, it like rained all day long in Memphis yesterday. See, I still got the hole in, but I was out getting the fabric and stuff like that, so I got a little water in the flow. So I was thinking about taking it and go vacuuming it out, but I'm gonna just let it air dry for right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and get to it right quick, because I know yesterday, man, I lost a lot of time. I supposed to had already had this skin in there and glass, everything welded, wired up and everything. That was supposed to be my goal yesterday. And today I supposed to have just been putting the headliner material in. But I got all that now. So I'm finna see how much I'm gonna do for the day. Wife at work today. So I'm gonna just treat it like an 8-hour job. I'm gonna go ahead and see how much I can get done in 8 hours. But like I said, man, I got the hard part out the way. That's breaking everything down and cutting that hole. So everything else is just a breeze to me right now. But as you can see, I still got the skin sanded or whatnot. All I got to do now is just get all the power, man. Like I said, this car got a lot of music in it. So all I did now is just take the negative and the positive off. They got a positive right there, and it got a negative and positive. And it still got a battery in the trunk. So I'm gonna unplug all the batteries, kill all power, so I can be able to weld on this thing. And I'm gonna get my windshields and all that stuff right, so I won't get no weld spots on it. But I'm on the move today, man. Nice little Sunday. Shit, I'm finna go ahead and go in later. And then the next time I cut y'all back on, man, I'm gonna show y'all that thing with the glass in, and when I'm going back in with the headline. So y'all just stay tuned, man. One Touch Customs, we here. Yes, sir. I'll show y'all that thing one more time. See what she look like before she get that egg in there. But yeah, I'm finna sign out right now, y'all. Y'all just stay posted and stay with me, man, until the end of the video. And like I said, y'all gonna see something real nice in here in a minute. So y'all just stay posted. All right, it's your boy One Touch, man. I'm back again. And I got that thing welded and grinded down. About to lay a little fiberglass on it now. And I kind of sanded the inside in a little bit, because when I get through sanding, when I get through doing the body work or whatnot, I'm gonna go ahead and put me a little black down on everything, kind of like color match it a little bit. So I'm at the aerosol can. It's way better than just seeing, you know, the Bondo and the fiberglass and whatnot. So I'm gonna do that for now and just see how that turn out. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I do. Let y'all see the inside. And oh yeah, I laid a little foam, y'all, right there on the side. So I'm gonna go back with the trim some of it down. This is just more support. You know, this car got a lot of music in it, so I just wanted more support. You know what I'm saying? To kind of like keep it from flexing or whatnot. But it's gonna be okay though, because I already did the colors. I already had a lot of music, so Everything gonna be good. I just trying something different. I just want to show y'all that thing right quick. She in there, very center. I already measured everything. Everything looking good. So yeah, man, I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man, when I get through doing a little body work or whatnot. So I'll sign y'all back in, let y'all see what the glass look like while it's in there, put it on tilt, wire it up, figure out where I'm gonna run the buttons to, and then I'm gonna cut y'all back on in 1 minute, man. Y'all just stay posted. Yo, what's happening, YT? That's your boy One Touch, I'm back. And it's the next day. I wrapped up pretty much everything, so now all I'm doing now is just putting everything back in the car, taking my tools out of it, and I'm about to send it on about this way. But I want to show y'all this thing right quick. Oh yeah, let me show y'all the thing on tilt. Swipe with the fiberglass. I was gonna smooth it all the way down and just spray a little black on it just to make it look decent, but the customer already finna get painted or whatnot, so I said I'm gonna go ahead and let the body shop and stuff like that go ahead and do it instead of me wasting time. See, it already got a little sand spot right there. But y'all, the roof is in there, y'all. Nice and flush, nice and even. So all I gotta do now, man, is just fully detail. And like I say, most times when I do the panoramics, I don't put the screen, sun visors back in. Like, it ain't done and it don't look like the material. And like I said, I don't have a sewing machine at the moment, so I just put it back up. Have it nice and flush, and all the pieces was took down. So the customer or whatnot, he gonna go ahead and put everything back up. Let's see, I got the buttons ran right there, if y'all can see it. It's a little dark up in here right now. So I'm just finishing up the nice little pieces and stuff like that, man, that I had took apart and putting everything back together. So I'm almost about done, man. This thing about to roll. Like I said, man, this Cutlass got all the details on it. All the detail. Still got the plastic on the lights, the marker lights and stuff at the bottom. Spinning cap. So I'm about finished now. When I get through picking up everything that I got to pick up outside the car, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this thing up, man, and get it back cleaned up. Like I said, I got to clean the windows and stuff like that up. So when I got the welder, man, I always use a little trick. I put some oil on the windows so the welding spars can just flat right on down. Don't get too hot and stay right there and make the windows crack. But yeah, man, that thing up in there. Yeah, different views show different colors. But man, it matched perfect with this material right here and the seat material. As I'm looking at it right now, looking down, I don't see no other color peeking out at my eyes and stuff like that. So man, this thing look good, man. I cannot complain. So what I'm about to do now, man, I'm about to clean this car up, and then I'm gonna clean up under my carport and stuff, bag it up, clean up under here, and get everything right, man, and get ready for this old bubble that I got coming in, and pick up his roof today. So that's my goal for the day. I'm already finished with this, so all I gotta do is just go pull another roof. And like I said, I'll cut y'all back on, man, to the next video. Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and touch base with One Touch Custom, man, Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah, we here.